to Cohen YouTube, Cohen TV. Doing cooking with Cohen. Raspberry and chocolate muffins. So today's recipe we need heat the oven to 180 degrees. And then you go line a muffin. Let's have to mix the dry ingredients. And I hope you like my muffins. Peace out. Hit that like button and please subscribe.